Imagine pulling into a campsite and watching a motorhome unfold into something that looks more like a luxury penthouse than a vehicle. Walls slide outward, rooftops transform into terraces, hidden rooms appear, and entire living spaces double in size within minutes. But that's only the beginning. This countdown features the world's most extraordinary motorhomes, from rolling palaces with spa-like interiors and private garages for supercars to futuristic designs inspired by luxury yachts and private jets. And then there's the newest Chinese motorhome that's turning the entire industry upside down with innovation no one expected. Before we reveal the ultimate masterpiece, hit the like button, subscribe for more incredible technology and luxury vehicles, and let's count down the motorhomes that are redefining life on the road forever. SAIC Maxus Life Home V90 Villa Edition. The SAIC Maxus Life Home V90 Villa Edition transforms that dream into reality. From the outside, it appears to be a stylish premium motorhome, but the moment it comes to a stop, everything changes. Its expandable design opens into a spacious two-level living space, where panoramic glass, intelligent features, and elegant finishes create the atmosphere of a modern luxury villa. Developed by SAIC Maxus, this remarkable motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's a bold vision of the future, proving that comfort, innovation, and adventure can travel together. And the deeper you explore, the more extraordinary its story becomes. DTH RV Carbonic Liner 7.8. The DTH RV Carbonic Liner 7.8 makes a lasting impression long before you step inside. At first glance, its sleek carbon fiber body hints that this is no ordinary motorhome. Then the journey truly begins. As the slide-outs extend, the interior transforms into a bright and welcoming living space, where premium craftsmanship meets modern comfort. Every detail reflects a focus on strength, efficiency, and life on the open road without sacrificing luxury. Created by DTH RV, the Carbonic Liner 7.8 is more than a place to travel. It's a glimpse into the future of motorhome design. And the more you discover, the more remarkable its story becomes. AS Future ET. The AS Future ET brings that extraordinary vision to life. Created with design expertise from the renowned Pininfarina studio, this futuristic electric motorhome feels like it has arrived from the next generation of travel. The moment its expandable living sections unfold, the interior opens into a bright, apartment-like space designed for comfort and freedom. Beyond its elegant design, an innovative atmospheric water generation system helps produce fresh water for off-grid adventures, making every journey more independent. The AS Future ET is more than a luxury motorhome. It's a bold step towards sustainable travel. And the deeper you explore, the more inspiring its story becomes. Volkner Mobil Performance S. The Volkner Mobil Performance S proves that true luxury is about more than where you stay. It's about what you can take with you. From the outside, it carries the timeless elegance of a premium motorhome, but hidden beneath its refined design is an engineering masterpiece. At the touch of a button, a hydraulic central garage slides out, revealing space for a sports car such as a Porsche 911. Inside, handcrafted cabinetry, premium materials, and spacious living areas create the feeling of a luxury apartment on wheels. The Volkner Mobil Performance S doesn't simply take you to extraordinary places. It ensures every mile of the journey feels just as exceptional. Marchi eleMMent Palazzo Superior. The Marchi eleMMent Palazzo Superior is more than a motorhome. It's a rolling masterpiece that redefines luxury travel. Inspired by aviation, supercars, and luxury yachts, this futuristic mansion on wheels features a panoramic cockpit, a stunning sky lounge rooftop deck, elegant living spaces, a king-size master suite, and a spa-style bathroom. Built on a powerful Volvo chassis with advanced engineering and premium craftsmanship, it delivers comfort that rivals five-star mansions. Whether parked beside a beach or cruising across continents, the eleMMent Palazzo Superior proves that true luxury has no fixed address. It travels wherever you do. Anderson Mobile Estates. The Heat. Anderson Mobile Estates. The Heat is a custom-built, two-story mobile estate created for Hollywood's biggest stars and elite clients who expect unmatched luxury wherever they travel. Expanding to nearly 1,200 square feet, it features a fully equipped kitchen, elegant lounge, private office, master bedroom, spa-style bathroom with a sauna shower, and a 30-seat cinema with a 100-inch screen. A hydraulic roof creates the second floor, while premium leather, marble, granite, and advanced technology complete the experience. More than a motorhome, the Heat is a 5-star mansion on wheels built without compromise. Furrion Elysium. The Furrion Elysium is a visionary luxury motorhome concept that pushes the boundaries of mobile living. Designed to combine futuristic technology with 5-star comfort, it features a rooftop helicopter landing pad, an infinity-style upper deck, smart home automation, panoramic glass, elegant living areas, and premium entertainment systems. Every detail is crafted to deliver an unmatched travel experience, blending innovation with extraordinary luxury. More than just an RV, the Elysium represents a bold vision of the future, where cutting-edge design and world-class comfort come together to create a true mansion on wheels, unlike anything else on the road. Terra Amphibious Motorhome. The Terra Amphibious Motorhome redefines luxury travel by combining a premium Class A motor coach with the capabilities of a yacht. Built by Cool Amphibious Manufacturers International, CAMI, it reaches highway speeds of up to 80 miles per hour before seamlessly cruising across lakes and rivers at up to 7 knots. Inside, buyers can customize everything from elegant cabinetry and premium furnishings to advanced entertainment and navigation systems. With aircraft-inspired controls, handcrafted luxury, and true land-to-water versatility, the Terra delivers a one-of-a-kind travel experience that transforms every journey into an unforgettable adventure. Romotow T8. The Romotow T8 reimagines modern camping with an ingenious rotating design that transforms a sleek travel trailer into a spacious luxury retreat within minutes. At the push of a button, its patented body pivots nearly 90 degrees, creating separate indoor and outdoor living zones while revealing a private deck. Inside, premium finishes, a stylish kitchen, a comfortable bedroom, and smart storage maximize every inch of space. Combining innovative engineering with contemporary design, the Romotow T8 offers a unique blend of comfort, functionality, and architectural elegance that turns every destination into a luxurious home, away from home. EarthRoamer SX. The EarthRoamer SX is an extraordinary expedition motorhome that brings together rugged off-road performance and world-class luxury in one remarkable package. Built for travelers who refuse to be limited by paved roads, it features a spacious handcrafted interior with a gourmet kitchen, comfortable lounge, premium sleeping quarters, and a full bathroom. Advanced lithium battery storage, rooftop solar panels, and generous freshwater capacity allow for extended off-grid living without sacrificing comfort. Whether crossing mountain trails or camping in remote wilderness, the EarthRoamer SX delivers the freedom of exploration with the elegance of a luxury home. ActionMobil Global XRS 7400 Leopard 2.0. The ActionMobil Global XR S7400 Leopard 2.0 is an extraordinary expedition motorhome engineered for those who demand absolute luxury without limits. Built on a rugged MAN 33.5 106/6 chassis, with a powerful 510 horsepower engine, it effortlessly conquers remote landscapes while offering the comfort of a designer home. Inside, handcrafted Afromosia wood, Corian and ceramic surfaces, a premium kitchen, spa-inspired bathroom, and advanced off-grid systems create an elegant living space. Designed for complete self-sufficiency, the Leopard 2.0 transforms every journey into a first-class adventure where luxury meets the wild. MORELO Grand Empire 120 GSO. The MORELO Grand Empire 120 GSO is a flagship luxury motorhome that delivers the elegance of a high-end mansion with the freedom of life on the road. Built on a premium heavy-duty chassis, it features expansive slide-out living areas, handcrafted furniture, a gourmet kitchen, a lavish master bedroom, and a spa-inspired bathroom finished with premium materials. Advanced climate control, smart technology, and generous storage ensure exceptional comfort on every journey. Designed for travelers who expect nothing but the best, the Grand Empire 120 GSO transforms every destination into a 5-star luxury retreat. Concorde Centurion 1200 GSI. The Concorde Centurion 1200 GSI is a masterpiece of luxury engineering, combining premium craftsmanship with the freedom of a world-class motorhome. Built on a robust Mercedes-Benz heavy-duty chassis, it offers expansive slide-out living areas, elegant handcrafted interiors, a fully equipped gourmet kitchen, a luxurious bedroom, and a spa-style bathroom. Every detail is designed to deliver first-class comfort, from advanced climate control to state-of-the-art entertainment and smart onboard technology. Created for travelers who demand uncompromising quality, the Centurion 1200 GSI transforms every journey into an unforgettable 5-star experience on wheels. VARIOmobil Perfect 1200 Platinum. The VARIOmobil Perfect 1200 Platinum is a handcrafted luxury motorhome that redefines life on the road with uncompromising comfort and German engineering. Built on a 3-axle Mercedes-Benz Actros, or MAN chassis, this 12-meter land yacht features up to 4 slide-outs, creating an expansive living space of up to 36 square meters. An XXL rear garage can accommodate a sports car such as a Porsche 911 or Mercedes AMG GT, while the bespoke interior offers a gourmet kitchen, premium lounge, elegant bedroom, and spa-inspired bathroom. Every detail is custom built to deliver a true 5-star mansion on wheels. Dembell Motorhome 3.5. The Dembell Motorhome 3.5 is a masterpiece of modern luxury, combining cutting-edge engineering with the comfort of a 5-star residence. Built on the latest Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, this premium motorhome features spacious slide-out living areas, a designer lounge, a fully equipped gourmet kitchen, a luxurious master bedroom, and a spa-inspired bathroom. Smart home automation, advanced off-grid technology, generous water storage, and a heated rear garage make it ideal for long-distance adventures. Designed for travelers who refuse to compromise, the Dembell 3.5 transforms every journey into an unforgettable luxury experience on wheels.